Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add particle background to section in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin, and we are in WordPress dashboard. So scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write Elementor add-on elements. So this is plugin Elementor add-on elements we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, scroll down on left side, you see Elementor add-on elements. So click on it. Now you see different modules. You see different widgets. Scroll down. You see particles. If you want, you can deactivate. But we are going to add particle effect in section in Elementor page. Now go to edit page. After activating plugin, so this is our section. Now you see edit container, so click on it. Now on left side you see style, so click on it, and then you see EAE particles, so again click on it. Now you see enable particle background, so I enable this option. Now you see particle effect on background. Now you see JSON configuration, and then you see message. Click here to generate JSON for the below field. Now click on click here. Now you see on right side you see setting particles, so click on it. Then you see number, and then you see color, so you can change color. Now you see also you see shape, images, polygon. You see multiple setting, so you can do setting according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see download current configuration, so click on it and then click on save. So file done, and open file and then paste code here and then click on update. Now update done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now you see particle effect on background added. So in this way you can add particle backgrounds. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.